You know, right about the time I was building my company in Marshalltown, Iowa, I learned there are no secrets to success. It doesn't take an efficiency expert to know that efficiency is important. And it didn't take me long to figure out how to run my company. Setting your eye on where you want to go, but never forgetting your roots got me started.
At Lennox, we can manufacture any size of any product model on any given day, and we can ship any size of any product model on any given day.
Building our reputation every day on every unit, every way, is probably really what we're about. Building a better product, doing it a better way, finding that angle there, that edge that makes our product the best there is in the world. Not just in the United States, but we want to take over the world. We are a global entity, so we want to build the best thing there is out there. We're kind of here to assure that the quality is built into the unit rather than inspected in after.
The textbook definition of quality is meeting or exceeding the customer's expectation, and it also means that each unit that comes off this line and goes out that door is the best unit that we could possibly make.
Well, the front loading of quality starts at really the design phase.
Reliability has a great deal of meaning in engineering. It has to do with design.
We go in, we look for those things that have failed when we test these products. We look for the evidence and we dig deep. And I know these guys over here that do a lot of the component testing, they don't feel like they've had success until they've found the weakness. And then the success comes out of the satisfaction we have by sending that product out the door, knowing that it's going to last the lifetime, the expected lifetime the consumer is looking for. We're not just looking to make a product meet the specifications. We're going beyond the specifications.
Some of our tests are rapid. Some of our tests are actual system tests that take a little longer. So in general, it can be from 2 days to 16 weeks. A lot of what we do is field driven. We listen to what the field wants, we listen to the problems that they encounter. Some of the testing we do is generated out of issues that we find in the field. And we're concerned and we want to make our product last, we want to build in the quality, and that's the beginning of it all. And when I go back to the people and what makes Lennox different, it's an understanding of what we want to accomplish.
These furnaces actually set out on rooftops under very extreme conditions. It's very important that we fire safely at minus 40 degrees under wind conditions. So there's a lot of extreme tests run to verify that we have good performance. This is actually done on both LP gas and natural gas. It's done with under voltage, over voltage to the inducers. We do run a lot of field testing. Actually, under field testing, we'll take prototypes out and actually see how they will perform under extreme field conditions, wind, and extreme temperatures.
And for large commercial equipment, for transportation across country, we have the Vibration Transportation Simulator. And this uses a large bed with an oscillating motion that can lift the units off the table. And we do that to make sure that our larger equipment is protected in transit.
Yes, we got a quality process. We got checks and balances where we make sure that everything is done correctly and put together right.
When I look at the unit, I double check everything because as this unit leaves my line, it goes out to the customer.
We do build that reputation, that Lennox reputation, every single day with every unit we build. Continuous improvement is in all phases of your business, from financials, which the shareholders and stakeholders really are interested in, to the customer. And that's really what we're about, is making sure that we have a very strong continuous improvement component from strictly a quality aspect.
Kaizen is a continuous improvement tool that we use here at Stuttgart. Generally, the events that we hold are 1 week in length. We'll put together a cross-functional team of people from all over the factory and the office. We'll work on improving specific areas of the factory and their productivity, their quality, and their safety. We've also used Kaizen to help facilitate our factory rearrangements, which we've done a few years ago, as well as to create space whenever we need space for new products or for growth.
It's a learning process. How do you improve? Take the best of what you can gather, make it yours, and then keep looking for that better idea, that better notion, that better way of doing things.
The perception that I have about a product can be one thing, but we know that the input from marketing, input from manufacturing, all contributes really to the product design, and it's all important.
The whole notion is that you constantly get better and better at what it is you do. And quite honestly, we're about trying to build the best product on the face of the planet. I would really love to have the customer come away from this plant knowing that we can do. I think that may sound trite and you know, kind of almost sophomoric, but it really is. We can do what they want.
Every individual here at Lennox puts 100% in everything they do here. Everything is hands-on, from the beginning of base to the end of closeout. We as an individual, half of us own the unit ourselves. So I want to say that I'm proud to own this unit, and I want every customer to say that too.
Lennox really puts their money where their mouth is. We put the quality, the auditor, and the coach, the engineers, all work together to ensure that we get that unit to the customer on time and with the highest quality possible.
What makes Lennox different from our competition are the people that work here. We have many tools to do our jobs, but those tools don't manifest themselves. The equipment we use to test our product don't manifest themselves. It's the people that come up with the ideas and the people that follow through with them to create the product.
And our people know everything there is about their work, and they love to tell you about how their piece fits in the unit, how it fits in the whole scheme of things. They may not know where it's going, but they do know that it's going to a customer.
Nobody succeeds alone. From design to manufacture, it's all about ideas, quality ideas. And at Lennox, that's our bottom line. We do quality better because we do it together.
Keeping an open mind and staying flexible kept us growing, doing what needs to be done in order to best serve the customer. I'm proud to say that's what drives every decision at Lennox Industries.